Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to make a quick video, my first video about these props. Two different props today. You got the Gemfan 5143.3 tri blades, nice shallow pitch on them, high response. I used to fly these Dal Prop 5046Cs, a bit more of a aggressive pitch on them, a lot more thrust, draw a lot more amps, less responsive, still a nice prop. But I've been testing these recently, these Gemfans mainly, but I've found that the durability of them is less, a bit weaker than what they should be from what people have been reviewing online. But still good prop. Enjoy them. I might go back to these. We'll see. In time, we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye.